Okay, so I'm finally done curling this wig, and this is the final look. As you guys can see in the background, this hair is from ISEE Hair. Sorry if my light is kind of washing out, but you guys pretty much know what the packaging looks like. I'll just go ahead and set that back right there. In the packaging, there is a pair of eyelashes in there. I don't really care too much for them, so I don't feel like getting them out of the box to show you guys, and an elastic band. And then it did come with some headbands. So the one that I have on here, which I don't even really like animal print, but this one was really cute. I love the browns in it. Yeah, the other two are these floral ones. There's like a baby blue one and then a yellow one. This is what they look like. So yeah, couple of headbands came with it, elastic band, pair of lashes, and that was pretty much it. Now this is their body wave wig. Now I don't want the curls to be like very uniform at all. I'm actually gonna go in and kind of separate them even more because I more so want these to be waves. So I wanted to go in and actually crimp this hair, but honestly this hair is 26 inches. It was already a lot of hair for me to wand it like this, so I just decided not to do that. But basically anytime I get body wave hair, I'm gonna want to curl it. I just feel like I really like doing curls, especially on body wave hairs. Now I probably should do like some styles with you guys, but honestly I just kind of want to wear it down like this, and I want to let these continue to drop because then it's going to get even more prettier. Now one thing I can say about ISEE Hair is I love their body wave wig. I tell you guys that that's one of my more affordable alternatives or recommendations that I give to you guys a lot, especially those of you guys who are specifically looking for body wave wigs. What I can say from their body wave wig compared to their headband wig is that the body wave hair is pretty much still the same quality, the same consistency. One of the many reasons why I love their body wave hair is because it holds a curl like no other. The curls are there and they're literally not going to go anywhere until I decide to straighten this hair. Of course they're going to drop, but the curl is still pretty much going to be there. So I will show you guys what it looks like once I pull it up. Let me get my headband situated in the back there. So this is what I can't really see what you guys can see, but this is what the back part of the wig is looking like. To put this into a ponytail, super cute because it's all nice and curled. I'm not gonna do it like right now. I'll kind of like, you know, simulate what that would look like just because I do not want to mess up these curls. You know, a curled pony with a wig like this is super cute. You can even take it up a notch and put it a little bit more higher. I don't have this in the neatest ponytail. I more so want them to drop naturally on their own, but you guys can pretty much get an idea of what it's looking like. Something sticking out at the top. That's okay. Simple, effortless look that you could do with a wig like this. I just love throwing these in ponytails, especially high ponytails. Like these are just so cute. You could even put it in a bun, but like I said, I'm not going to try to do too much. I will try to at least show you guys kind of what that will look like. It'll be a lot neater if you do it when the hair is not curled, but you guys get what I'm talking about. You can totally throw this into a nice bun, but I just prefer to rock my curls. Now I'm gonna try to put this in a half up, half down without doing too much. And if they get messed up, it's okay, because like I said, I want them to fall anyway, and I can just flexi rod it tonight. Leave the link below so you guys can check it out. I don't know if this wig is in a certain density or not. I didn't even really bother to check, to be honest, so that's my bad. Usually I like to have all my facts together when I bring you guys some hair and all that stuff, so please forgive me. I got a little bit more volume than I wanted because I was trying to put the hair in different hairstyles for you guys, but that's no problem. It's no big deal. I still am in love with this wig. So of course I always leave the information for you guys down below my description box. This is another headband wig. These wigs are not really going anywhere, or at least I can't see them going anywhere anytime soon. So I will have a few more to show you guys. So if you guys would like to see more of these, then make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to let me know. This video, I'm trying to make these headband wigs videos pretty straight and simple and to the point, because there's not much to say about them except for me saying like the basics of, you know, the same things that I say about all the rest of them over and over again. The shedding on this one is okay. I noticed that with my other ones, they like barely shed. This one does shed, but it's not like it sheds a lot, just because the other ones barely shed. Hair is supposed to shed, so I wasn't surprised to see that this hair shed just a little bit. Yeah, that's all that I pretty much have to say for this video, you guys. I appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch, and I will see you guys next time.